Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to announce the winner of the HGLRC Wind5 Lite frame and Zeus F745 stack. In addition, as you can see, I used these parts on this new build, and in the end of this video I'm going to show you some flight footage. This giveaway, which is sponsored by HGLRC, was announced a couple of weeks ago when my country was facing a second lockdown, and I'm glad to tell you that now the lockdown is over and I'm back home, and I would like to thank everybody for their kind support. In order to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is to make sure that you are publicly subscribed to my channel and leave a single comment on the giveaway video. I would like to remind you that all the Patreon supporters are automatically included in the giveaway, and in addition they can also participate just like everybody else, so their chances of winning are increased. Now, without further ado, using the YouTube random comment picker tool, I'm going to randomly select two winners. The first one is going to be the big winner who is going to win the frame and stack, and the second one is going to be the runner-up, who is going to win the prizes in case the first winner is not going to show until the end of this month. As you can see, the total amount of unique commenters is 369, and in addition we have another 11 extra entries for the Patreon supporters. So now I'm going to select the winner, and the big winner who won the HGLRC Wind5 Lite and stack is Drone Karya, who commented, "Yay, another giveaway." And I'm going to make sure that Drone Akarya is publicly subscribed to my channel. And as you can see, Drone Akarya 9 is publicly subscribed to my channel. So congratulations buddy, you just won the HGLRC Wind5 Lite and the F745 stack. And in case Drone Akarya is not going to show up, I'm going to select another winner. And the runner-up is Bill Hutt, who commented, "Looking forward to a review on the HGLRC Wind5 Lite. Stay safe." Thanks, Bill. I'm just going to make sure that you are publicly subscribed to my channel as well. And as you can see, Bill Hutt is publicly subscribed to my channel. So congratulations, Bill. You are the runner-up who might win the prizes in case Drone Akarya is not going to show up. The frame and stack are going to be directly sent to the winner by HGLRC, and you can find my email in the description box down below, so in case you are one of the winners, send me an email and I'm going to take care of the rest. As for this build, its total weight is about 330 grams, so it's light, but not that light for a 5-inch build, but anyway, I'm pretty pleased with the results. Now I'm going to wrap up this quick video with some flight footage, so I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video. I would like to thank HGLRC for sponsoring this giveaway, and of course all of you my subscribers for your continued support. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.